Hi, my name is Palash. I'm a founder of Analytics Media, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide any element on your Webflow website. So first of all, go to your Webflow dashboard and open Designer. This will open up the Designer mode. Once the Designer mode is open, you scroll down to the element you want to hide. So we are going to take this as an example, this paragraph. So select the paragraph, and then go to the right hand side in Layout, Display, select the last icon. So once you click on this, it will hide that element. But as you can see, it hide all the element with a similar class. The class is large text. So how do we make sure this doesn't happen? So again, I'm just gonna undo it. Again, I'm gonna click the text, and right now I'm gonna click this space, this blank space here, right next to this box. I'm just gonna click here, and now I'm gonna type combo class. I'm gonna create a new combo class. I'm gonna say hide 2. So now we are using a combo class, and now I'm gonna again go back to layout, display, and hide. Click on this hide icon. So as you can see, because of this combo class, this particular element is only hiding. We are not affecting any other elements, but we can use this combo class as well. So let's say I'm going to copy this combo class. I'm going to select this text now, and again I'm going to click here and paste it and select this existing combo classes. And as you can see, we can use this combo class to hide other element as well. So I hope this makes sense. If you have any question about it, please let me know, and thank you for watching.